walking trophy. You a walking trophy. My girl, you a walking trophy. Yeah, your friends, them a walking trophy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well and I hope you guys have been good. So today I'm going to be bringing back the Igbo class because you guys have demanded for this video for the longest time, like literally for the longest time. So today I have my little book of like words that I'm teaching you guys today, and today we're doing the family members. So these are names that you're going to call your family member: your dad, your husband, your wife, and your sister, and all of that family stuff. You know what I mean. But I'm so sorry that it's taking me a year to bring back another video. If you've been on my channel for over a year now, you would know that I kind of took a break from YouTube and kind of a lot of stuff for my life to just catch myself, because as you guys know, my mental well-being is the most important thing on planet Earth. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for sticking with me, and some people that emailed me, thank you guys for emailing me and asking how I'm doing. I literally have not had a sit down video in the longest time, guys. Longest time. Charlie, how did I do that? But as I was saying, I beg, we're going to get straight into this class, and I'm going to be consistent in putting up more Igbo classes because you guys seem to love that, and I'm glad I'm helping some people. Some people don't really find it helpful because we're not the same dialect, and that's absolutely fine. You might find someone closer to you that is the same dialect, and they might help you out better than I probably would. I'm just saying. And yeah, I speak pretty fast on a normal day, so I'm trying to go very, very, very slow. Yeah? Are you with me? Okay, so let's go. Okay, so the first word that we're going to learn how to say today is father. If you're trying to find a way to address your dad in the family, Igbo people usually say nna. It's very simple. It's a 3-letter word. The words are going to be up on that. I don't know what side I'm putting the word just yet. They're going to be up somewhere there, and it's going to follow what I'm saying. Yeah? Yeah. So the first word that we're saying today is father. To say father in Igbo is nna. Come on. Nna. Yeah, sorry. That was my nose. Come on, follow me again. Nna. So if you want to say my dad, yes, nnamu. Nnamu. Come on, one more time, let's go. Nnamu. That's perfectly fine. We're going there. I'm trying to go slow, guys. Nnamu. Let's come on, guys. I need you guys. Come on, you can do this. It's not really hard. This words. This is a very simple class, guys. Nnamu. That's right, yeah. So if you see your dad today, be like nnamu or nna. I used to, yeah, that's how I like, if I want to get something for my dad, maybe a little bit of money, you know, I need him to go somewhere for me, or I'm like nnamu. Like I always like talk to my dad because my dad's that's my G. Yeah, I mean that's my G, that's my Rudy. So nnamu is like, oh, and especially if you guys don't really know how to speak Igbo and you guys learn this word from my channel, just go up to him and be like, nnamu, now what do you want to eat? You know, when you're serving your dad food. Yeah. If you want your school fees, they'll pay you double. Double. Don't worry. I'm giving you guys a lifetime secret right now. Don't say I never did anything for y'all. Okay? Okay. The second word is mother. You know, the most beautiful thing on planet Earth, the best gift that God gave to us is mother. That's still. To say mother in Igbo is nne. It's literally, your dad is nna, your mom is nne. So if you want to call your mom in Igbo, it's nne. If you want to say my mom, you say nnemu. So that's my mom. But mother simply means ne. Let's say it again. Ne. One more time, guys. Ne. That's fine. Come on, we can do this. Ne. That's you guys are on no, bro. Ne. Let's say my mother. To put the my mother is nemu. That's my mother. That's my mother. Ne means mother. My mother means nemo. Guys, if I'm going so fast, because I can't help it. This is so hard. Pause it and try to practice and repeat the words. Do you get what I mean? If that makes sense. Yeah. So let's say mother a few times. Mother in Igbo is ne. Come on, let's go again. Ne. That's perfect. Let's go one more time. Ne. If you want to say my mother, you say nemo. Come on, let's go one more time. Nemo. Let's go. The m is just my mother. That's just the my. Yeah? So let's go again. Last time. Nemo. Come on, that's right. Give yourself a round of applause. You guys are doing so well. Let's go to the next word. So if you guys have a son or a man or a boy in your family, they are usually referred to as nwoke. Yeah, come on. So if you're like a mom and you have a son or a little boy, or you see a man on the road as a girl, whatever, we refer to them as nwoke. Come on, let's go. Let's go one more time. Nwoke. Let's go. Nwoke. 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 Let's go. Wo. See how I say wo? Oh yeah, baby. No. Nwoke. Let's go one more time, guys. You can do this. You're doing perfectly well. Let's go. Nwoke. So if they ask you, or you and your friends are having a conversation, like, oh, I'm from Igbo, Igbo, blah blah blah, and I don't know who the hell is calling me. And then, so to say a son, boy, or man in Igbo is a male. That's the one. What's the son, man? A male. A male species. It's called nwoke. Yeah? I'm calling all this. They're all males. Yeah? To refer to a male species in Igbo is nwoke. Let's go one more time, guys. Nwoke. That's, you guys are going, you're on job. Come on, let's go. Nwoke. That's, you guys are really on it right today. Come on, let's go, guys. One more time. Nwoke. Come on. You are on it. Wait a minute. Let's go, darling. Nwoke. So a male in English is equals to nwoke in Igbo. Male. Nwoke. Male. Nwoke. Male. Nwoke. The next word is obviously a female. How do you call a female species in Igbo? I say species because I can't find a better word for lack of better terms. Yes. So to say a female in Igbo is nwanyị. So if I look down, look at my words. Yeah, because I'm trying to say it and make sure the words are matching. Okay, so to say a female is nwanyị. Come on, guys, you are still on it today. Let's go. Nwanyị. Let's come on one more time. Female equals to nwanyị. Equals to nwanyị. Let's go one more time. Nwanyị. Let's go. So me, I'm a nwanyị. Nwanyị Campbell. So I am a female. So if they ask you, what are you? Nwanyị. Nwanyị. Come on, guys. Let's go. Nwanyị. Gegebo. Abụ nwanyị. I'm a female. I'm a woman. Abụ nwanyị onye. I'm a daughter of. So it's literally anything that refers to a female, a daughter, a mother, a girl, whatever it is. Oh my God, that is a female. Nwanyị bụ onye. That person is a female. Abụ nwanyị. I am a female. So if you want to say that you are a female, the word that you use for female as a general term, the general term female is mwa ani. Come on, say it with me. Mwa ani. Come on guys, you guys are really on job today. Let's go. Mwa ani. That's right, you guys are so good, yeah? So basically, if I'm going a little too fast for you, just please guys, just pause the video. If you hear it, repeat it to yourself and kind of like watch the way my mouth moves when I'm saying it and try and imitate that. And I'm going to try and go over the alphabets with you guys, but I'm gonna need my dad or my mom for that because yeah, they'll probably just know how to do it better. So if you guys would like to see the alphabets, or the alphabets with a guest on my channel, comment below and I will make that happen for you guys. So yeah, next word is husband. If you want to call your husband in Igbo, your husband is dim. Okay, no, dim means my husband. D is husband. Yeah, oh, sorry. So husband in English is D in Igbo. So husband, D. Husband equals to D. Is D. D is literally the letter D. Is DI, literally. Like, so it's just like getting the way we say it with our tongues. Because a lot of Igbo words, like, you make the sounds with your tongues. I don't have to explain it, but that's what I learned in primary school anyway. So, but yeah. So your husband is D. Come on, let's go one more time. D. So if you want to say my husband, that's my husband. that's my husband. That's my husband. Husband. Yeah, yeah. Guys, I can't wait to get married. I will abuse that word. Oh, Dimby, yeah. Mona Dim, yeah, we're going out somewhere. No, my Dim is coming to pick me up here. Dim is coming to Dim. Give my Dim. Oh, no, he's gone. How much is the worst human being ever? But okay, so to say my husband, yeah. To say my husband, you say Dimu. Yeah, so come on, let's say it one more time. My husband, that's my husband. Dimu. So you know the way we said my mother, my father, Namu, Nemu, one name. So Dimu, it just means the my is mu. So Dimu, that's my husband. So if your husband comes home, you know, you're trying to just, you know, rub his head, get him to, you know, do something like, babe, we need to go on vacation, and he's not really budging, just make him food. When he comes home, just be like, Dimoma, that means my good husband. I say finish his destiny. Finish his destiny. Finish him. Finish him. That is just, no Mortal Kombat. Finish him. That's what it is. It's over. It's done. So if you want to say my husband, you say Dimu. That's my husband. So let's say like 3 more times and then we'll move on to the next word. Let's go. Dimu. Let's go 3 more times. Dimu. Let's go again. Dimu. Yeah, so that's my husband. So yeah, let's go to the next word. Clearly following after that is wife, because we just said husband, so the next thing is my wife. So how to say wife in Igbo is munyemu. Come on, let's go one more time. Munyemu. That's my wife, sorry. Wife is munye. Come on, let's say wife 5 times and then you say my wife. So if you want to say wife is munyemu. Yeah, come on, let's go. Munyemu. Let's go again. Come on guys, you can do it. Mu. You are legit on the roll. Let's go. Mu. Last time guys, come on, let's go. Mu. So if you don't want to say my wife, I've really been saying Munyemu is still my wife. Munye is wife, Mo is mine. So Munyemu, You see the way in English it's my wife. In Igbo, if you literally want to translate it for the literal meaning, it means wife my. So it's kind of backwards to English. So nwunye mu is my wife, but in English it's my wife. So the mine comes first, but the mine is last in Igbo. So nwunye is wife. Let's say nwunye is wife. Nwunye. Come on, let's go again. Nwunye. Come on, a few more times. Nwunye. Okay, good. So if you now want to say my wife, as I've been saying all these times without recognizing it, is nwunye mu. So that means my wife. So if you want, I advise all you husbands on my channel learning Igbo and you married to an Igbo woman, yes, just make her feel like a little queen, you know. So how was work today? Rub her feet, cook her good meal, you know, finish your wife. She might just, you know, make you a banging meal, cook you your favorite meal, take you out for lunch, take you out on vacation, buy you a, you know, Ferrari, Lamborghini. You never know. But the Igbo language is a very sweet word, so it can get you anywhere. So I advise you guys to always come back to my channel and learn these words. I'm just saying, helping your destiny. Just saying. If you're referring to your children or your child, I'm going to go with child first. Oh no, children. Child is nwam. Children is omaka. So let's go to children. How do you say children in Igbo? It's simply o mu a ka. Let's go again. Come on. O mu a ka. Let's go again one more time. Come on, let's go. O mu a ka. Let's put it all together. Omaka. Let's put it all together one more time. Omuaka. All together now. Omaka. So if you don't want to say my children, you can say most people say omum. So the same is again my children. So they remove the aka and then say omum. So that's my omum. These are my children. So if you're trying to say these are my children and introduce them to like another Igbo auntie, Igbo uncle, whatever it is, you say iya omum. These are my children. So umumu is my children. Umuaka is simply just children. Umumu means my children. Does that make sense? So the word children and my children is umuaka and umumu. Are you guys getting me? Let's say umumu, my children. Umuaka means just children. Yeah? Yeah? That's good. Okay, so guys, that is it from today's class, which is basically like family names, like nuclear family. I might do, comment below if you want me to do extended family, so what you call your grandfather, your grandmother, and so hold on, your grandmothers, your, you know, grandfathers, your brothers, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your sister, and what they usually address, like the son and the first son and the first daughter in Igbo. Comment below if you guys would like that, and I'll put that in the next class. So I hope you guys really find this video really helpful. I really pray that you guys do find it helpful and I'm not too fast. If I'm too fast, guys, please just hear the word, pause it and practice. Yeah, because at the end of the day I'm not trying to make the videos an hour long, because I'm trying to speak and spend 20 minutes on one word, please. But I'm gonna try and do something that is going to really help you guys a lot as of now. But comment below what it is you would like to learn from this Igbo class, and then I'm gonna do like a comment section and put those in my video. So I'm going to screenshot the comments, you know, put them on the screen, say what word they want to learn and teach it to you. So if you guys have any particular things you want to learn, make sure you guys comment below and we can get this thing popping. If you need extended, you know, knowledge, drop me an email on Ezeanaka@yahoo.co.uk and we can take it from there. I'm just gonna spread the Igbo language to the world, so that we would never let go of our language and we understand how beautiful Igbo is. I love my language. I love it so much. No matter what tribe I get married into, I am teaching my children Igbo. Full stop. My husband has the responsibility to teach them the other language. Me no. Okay. I just want them to speak Igbo because I feel like Igbo is so lovely and so at peace. I love it. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm a little bit relaxed. I'm not trying to make this classes very serious. As much as you're learning, I'm trying to make you guys stay in a very comfortable environment that you guys are able to imitate the words into your everyday life, and then that way you're getting more used to using them and you're learning the language and there's progress. That's all I really care about, and there has to be progress in the classes. So I hope you guys enjoy. You comment below if you did, give me a thumbs up, and make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, please, because at the end of the day I need to get them coins. So please subscribe, please comment below, please share the videos and help get this story out. Yeah, so until next time, I'll see you guys later.